What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. Happy Sunday. Gonna go over our friend Gala games. Couple scenarios. Sitting at 0.023, down about 1.26 on the day. See market cap of 504 million. 24-hour volume 42 million. So if Bitcoin has completed the correction and we see continuation to the upside, we should see the same for Gala. Now it really depends on how much money is put into Bitcoin. Does it bleed out into the alts, or does Bitcoin take off on its own and we don't see a lot of strength for the alts? We'll have to see. Oh my goodness, my apologies. My mic is it's way far away from my face. We'll have to see how that plays out, but all we need to see is a break above the 50% retracement, which will invalidate the 4, and then you could see an impulse to the upside. If that's the case, then we have this orange wave count here. Let me grab my brush. Hope you're doing well. Hope the pets are healthy. Haven't said that in quite a while. If you don't have a pet, I recommend it. All right, gang. Anyway, so that's your wave 1 up. Come on, brush. What's going on? There's your wave 1. There's your wave 2 pullback, looking to push up in a wave 3. If we break above the 50% retracement, and then micro count 1, 2, push up in a 3, pull back in a 4, push up in a 5. So if we can complete that first impulse, that's another signal that you could see an impulse to the upside. Now, if we fail to break the 50% retracement, then you can still come down and fill that wick and create the lower low. It all depends on if the alts show strength, if Bitcoin does break out. If Bitcoin rolls over, we come down, it is what it is, then we fill that wick. But as of right now, if we can break above 0.0238, which is the 50% retracement, there is an opportunity to see continuation to the upside. Another big signal to watch is to get back above the 20 EMA on the daily time frame, get back above the 55. We are holding the 78.6, which is a normal retracement for a wave 2. We wicked below it, but we closed the day above it. So if we do get back above those daily EMAs, that would be a big signal of strength. If we do end up seeing a rejection, we come back down. It is what it is. We fill that wick. But as I mentioned, you get back above those EMAs. That is quite a good sign of strength on the daily time frame. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala games. We are currently in a Gala trade, as well as Sandbox, Ethereum, and BTC. And you can have a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis. If you sign up to either Bikit or Bybit, do the majority of my trading here on Bikit, up to 8K in bonuses, up to 30K in bonuses on Bybit. Sign up to either one, make your first deposit, takes 2 minutes. Email me or sign up email. 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, Forex signals analysis as well. As I mentioned, we're in 4 crypto trades right now, and over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you want direct access, it's only $10 per month. You can sign up to the Patreon link. You really can't beat it. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.